trans tunnel on. There it is with the console. Oh, I guess I'm shooting a video. Okay, and here it is with the seat and the shifter is installed. Got this from a Dodge Caravan. It was the only one that didn't have vomit and drink all over it. And here's the 8-ball shifter. This is a little thing I made with a bead roller. Got to make the brake cover. And this is all primer here, and this is just rattle can paint. And this was pretty trick too. Got my gas pedal. And the rest of the car. Almost.